In this video, we will learn about templates. Let's first see how to access the built-in templates. Go to New. So the template file will open. From here, you can select your desired templates with which type of templates you want to work. We are going with this templates. Templates are, for example, sometime you're designing your own workspace and you want to work with that workspace, so you want to have a specific workspace for yourself, so that's why templates are used. For example, here you see the ribbon, there's black, but I want it light. Here there is I don't want this, I don't want this cube, this thing, so I have to make my own templates for that. So it's pretty easy. Go to Open. From Open, go to Templates. Come here, DWT. So from here you open anyone. AutoCAD. I have opened this file. Here, for example, I give OP option. Here you see display. I want it light. Apply. Okay. Some more things like view. I don't want this cube. Use this icon. I don't want these things. So now you are going to save it as template. Go to Save As, and Save As, give your name. New T. Okay, save it. Your template is created. English, save all layer, and yes. Okay, now your template is created. There is another way also to access the template. Go to New. Go to Start. From Start, here you see templates. Here we have saved one template, New T. Here it is. You can open it. You see your new template is created. Drawing 4 will be your new template.